Hey guys, what's up, this Swift here, and today I'll be doing an unboxing and overview of yet another keyboard because if you follow my channel, I recently just did an unboxing of the Vortex Poker 3 or Poke 3R keyboard. Yeah, so that was a 60% keyboard, my first ever very tiny keyboard kind of thing. But I saw this online and I decided that I had to buy it because hey, it's RGB, that's the in thing now, right? That's the whole trend. And you put RGB on your fans, you put RGB on your mic, you put RGB on your table, you put RGB everywhere. Everywhere, anywhere you can put RGB, you put RGB on that. That's the goddamn trend right now. And I had to have this one because it's so cheap. So yeah, if you look at this where it belongs to, it's part of the cheap stuff from China kind of playlist thing. Because this is from China, you can see Chinese words, and a German name. But it's Chinese word, right? It's a Chinese company, and it's so cool because this particular keyboard is so cheap for what it has, because this is a true RGB keyboard. And what do I mean by true RGB? It's that each and every LED actually is a RGB LED, as compared to many other Chinese brands out there. What they have is that each particular row is of a different color, and basically it looks like a rainbow, so they call that RGB, which is not exactly wrong, I suppose, but you know, whatever. And this is a true mechanical keyboard as well. It uses Kailh switch. I'm not sure if that's how you pronounce it, but perhaps that's why the price is very cheap as well, because Cherry MX switches keyboards are usually known to be slightly more expensive, right? So this are Kailh blue, I believe. They come in black switches as well. And there are three different face plates. There is the black one, gold one, and there is a blue one as well. What I have here is the gold version, right? So you can see here, this is, I don't know if this is the brand name or the model name or whatever, right? It's Fuhlen. It's German, I believe. I searched it up in Google. It means to feel, whatever. And there is a dragon here. To feel the dragon? I don't know, right? So here it shows you, actually there's Chinese words, right? For dragon as well. Like monster dragon, something like that. But this is the keyword here you want to search. Anyway, the link to buy it from AliExpress. I think that's the only place I can find it. If you want to ship directly from China, you can go Taobao or something like that and buy, but that's more troublesome. So if you want trouble-free, I believe AliExpress is the place to go right now. Costs only about like $47 or $50 thereabouts for a true RGB mechanical keyboard. So God, I just keep saying the same thing over and over again. So anyway, let's take a look around the box as per usual, as all unboxings. You can see here, spelling mistake. Gaming mechanical keyboard. Alright, we know what it means. But you look behind here, that's where the cool stuff are, right? So it's tenkeyless, right? We can see already, it's tenkeyless. It says here, okay, it's saying that this is actually, it can last for a lot of time. Number of times you can click, I think it's 5.5 billion clicks per key, I think. Not sure. Oh, seven different switches which I will display in a while, and there is 1.6 billion different colors that it can show, right? That's just the color spectrum kind of thing. Because you can see here, so it's like a marketed as like a gaming keyboard kind of thing. Fuhlen. I don't really think this is the company's name. I don't believe so. But if you search that up, all you see is some German dictionary on what Fuhlen means. Yeah, so this is a Chinese brand. Pretty damn cool. And I'll show you why. Once I plug it in, you actually see and experience it for yourself. Probably not as awesome when you're looking through a camera, but nevertheless pretty awesome as well. So here we have the keyboard. You can see here, it's gold, so I'll just pull it out. We'll take a look at that. They don't provide anything really. It's just a keycap inside, and you need to know the manual, because ultimately the different profiles and things like that are all configured on the hardware itself. There are no software to configure. It's pretty much different from your Corsair, Razer, where they come with their own software. And they have a keycap puller here, which feels really bad. So if you have your own one, if you're desperate and you really need one, then this probably might help. But it looks like it's going to break any moment. But hey, that's not the main thing. The main thing is over here, where I'm gonna take everything else out of the way, and we can see here, this is the keyboard, the Fuhlen SM680R. God, take some time for me to remember that. See, it's gold keyboard. Hey, I thought it was metal, but it doesn't seem to be metal to me. But hey, look at this. Oh, feels pretty much like the blues, the Cherry MX blues. I'm not an expert in switches, but yeah. But the cool thing is, look at this. It's even braided. The cables are braided, so that's nice. The USB cable is braided, and there is a dragon logo over here. The brand, look at this, Fuhlen, right? It feels pretty light, really, for a keyboard of this size, especially if I take up my Poker 3 keyboard. It's so much heavier. This is pretty much the same weight, I think, if not lighter. I'm not sure. So you can see fits at the bottom. But the cool thing is, yeah, the RGB. But before we do that, the key. God, it looks really bad. I think it's just me. I think Cooler Master keyboards also use a font something like that. Looks really awful, really, in my opinion, right? That's just my opinion. I don't like such font, but hey, some people do. That's why they exist. So I'm going to plug this in and let's see some of the lighting effects. Okay, so I think this is plugged in. Let me try it out. Yep, this is. Oh, look at that, man. Oh my god. Let me turn off the lights. Look at this. Hello. Whoa. Oh my god. Look at that. Oh shit. This is so cool. Alright, let's just go through all the different oh my god, all the different modes. I believe this is the just light up. You can see all the different colors. It's flickering in your screen because the camera is not capturing it properly, but it doesn't flicker. And from what I understand, the LEDs are on top. They're not mounted in the PCB, which is why it's brighter. But there's the problem as well. What people are saying that if it's top mounted, it spoils quicker. So let's hope this lasts for some time, hopefully. And this is okay. The changing color mode. Look at that. It's changing to whitish, teal to green to white. Yep, that's okay. So number 3 is off. Okay, 3 does nothing. Okay, 4 is the breathing mode. Okay, pretty cool. So this is the other one, which is so cool. If you type, then it fades. Man, this is so cool. So I believe if we hit it again, it will change the color. Yeah. My god, look at this. Shit, it's really good. 6 is random colors everywhere. Okay. 7 is the rainbow one. Yeah, there's some people like this, you know. I don't really like it. But yeah. Wow. To each their own, right? That's 7. So 8 is the left to right breathing kind of thing, changing. 9 is the one I totally love so much. Okay, 0 is off. No more. So that's this weird one, right? 3 is not working or something. I'm not sure what exactly, but I believe you can what you call it? You can change the brightness as well. No idea what you're supposed to do to change the brightness, really. But whatever, right? So this is it. Yeah, pretty damn cool. My god, I'm just gonna change the keycap soon. It's really bad. I don't like the keycaps at all. But look at this. Let's do it one more time. Whoa, wow. Alright. Okay, so that's it. This is the Fuhlen M680R. If you would like to try it out or buy it, link will be in the description. If you have any other comments, questions, do let me know. This video has went way too long, but I'm just so amazed by, look at this, by this, right? So this is probably going to be my main driver. Hope the LED doesn't spoil. That's about it. I'll see you guys again very soon.